Thank you, FireMaple, for sponsoring today's video. This right here is the world's lightest backpacking stove. Let's go ahead and unbox it. This weighs 3.4 ounces, and it's made of titanium. I guess this is the wind guard. This is super lightweight too. It's kind of like a tin can. Comes in this little bag here. This is like where you attach the butane canister. Yeah, that's how you deploy it, just like that. You could definitely feel the quality. I love the feeling of titanium. Alright, so let's unbox the Ultralight pot. 5.7 ounces. I love how it comes in these little protective bags. So this is made of, feels like it's made of titanium too. Maybe stainless steel. Nice. And there you go, you have your cooking system. Wow, this is genius. Look at that. But yeah, dude, super nice. Thank you, FireMaple. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, peace and love.